So today we're going to go over 4 practice problems for simplifying ratios. You may also see it called reducing ratios. It's basically the same thing. You are putting ratios in their lowest form. I'll put 4 problems up on the screen and you pause it. Try it for yourself first. When you're done, unpause it and let's see if you get the same answers as me. Let's get started. Simplifying ratios is the same process as simplifying fractions. We first find factors of our ratio numbers and then the greatest common factor. Once we know the greatest common factor, we can divide our ratio numbers by that. Example 1. Simplify the ratio 16 to 24. The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. The greatest common factor between these two numbers is 8. So if we divide 8 into 16, we get 2. We divide 8 into 24, we get 3. The ratio of 16 to 24 can be simplified down to 2 to 3. Example 2. Simplify the ratio 81 to 108. Now, just like with fractions, if you're unsure what all the factors of a number are, like if they're kind of big, you can reduce a ratio down once and then reduce it further if needed. I know from my multiplication tables that 9 goes into both 81 and 108. Let's divide 9 into 81 and we get 9. Let's divide 9 into 108 and we get 12. Our ratio is now reduced down to 9 to 12. Now that the numbers are smaller, we can reduce 9 to 12 down further. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The greatest common factor between these two numbers is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Our ratio in its simplest form is 3 to 4. Example 3. Simplify the ratio 200 to 250. Again, not sure I want to go through all the factors of 200 and 250, but right off the bat, I can see that both numbers end in 0, which means it's divisible by 10. Let's start off there and see where it takes us. 200 divided by 10 is 20. 250 divided by 10 is 25. Our ratio is reduced down now to 20 to 25. I can look at 20 to 25 and see that 5 goes into both, so let's divide again. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Our original ratio of 200 to 250 is simplified down to 4 to 5. Last example, simplify 9 to 45. This is an example where I don't even want to waste my time finding factors because I know that 9 is a factor of both 9 and 45. So 9 divided by 9 is 1, and 45 divided by 9 is 5. 9 to 5, 45 in its simplest form is 1 to 5. Hopefully you got them all right. If you did, drop me a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.